As you begin your study of social studies, you'll want to learn not only about your country, but also that of others. In order to do this, you'll need to know the location and features of these countries using maps. So in this video, we will have a look at map and mapping skills. But first, let's take a look at the difference between a map and a globe. A map is a representation of a place, either on land or sea, usually drawn on a flat surface. There are different types of maps. Some maps show natural physical features of a place, like mountains and rivers. Some maps show man-made features, such as houses, roads, and settlement patterns. A globe serves a similar purpose to a map. It, however, is a spherical model of the Earth. For the sake of studying social studies, it is easier to use a map versus a globe in order to learn more about a particular area or country. However, before you can use a map properly, you'll need to understand the features of a typical map. Some of these common features are a title. Every map should have a title, and the title tells us what the map is about. It may be titled Physical Map of the World or Population Map of the United States. Maps will also have a scale, and the scale is used to help us calculate the distance from one place to another on the map. In another lesson, I will go into more detail about the different types of scales. Map makers, also called cartographers, use different shapes and colors to represent objects on the map. These are called symbols. An example may be a star in a circle, which represents a capital city, or an airplane to represent the location of an airport. The legend is that area of the map which explains what the symbols represent. Maps will also have a compass, and this gives the map orientation. It usually indicates the direction of north, and with this information, we can then easily determine south, east, and west. So to recap, we've looked at the difference between a map and a globe. We've highlighted the fact that when studying countries, it is best to use a map instead of a globe, and we've looked at some of the common features found on maps. Now it's your turn. Take a look at a few examples of maps and try to find the different features. Look at the legend and see what symbols the map maker used to describe the map. And if you would like more support as you prepare for the BJC Social Studies exam, check out our online BJC Social Studies course on the Student Shed. Until next time, happy learning.